Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to power off your iPhone 11. Now, currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video. And currently we are on the latest iOS version, the iOS 18.3.1. Now there are three main ways to power off your iPhone 11. Now the first method is to press and hold the volume up button or the volume down button with the power button at the same time. Now from here, just slide from the left to the right and you can power off your iPhone 11. Now, the second method to power off your iPhone 11 is from the settings. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, tap on General. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Shut Down. Now from here, as I said earlier, just slide from the left to the right and you can power off your iPhone 11. Now the third method to power off your iPhone 11 is through Siri. Hey Siri, shut off my iPhone. Now it is just confirming that if I want to power off my iPhone, just tap on power off and it will power off your iPhone. And this is how you can power off your iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.